Today, I'm going to show you how to run Stable Diffusion or Flux on a low-end computer. Yes, even on a smartphone, using the power of Google Colab. If you've ever felt limited by your hardware but still wanted to explore AI image generation or machine learning tools, this guide is for you. With Google Colab, you can tap into cloud-based computing resources for free, allowing you to run advanced models without needing a high-performance PC. Whether you're using an old laptop or just your mobile device, I'll walk you through the steps to get everything up and running smoothly. So, grab your device, open up your browser, and let's dive into the world of creative AI, no expensive gear required. Step 1. Launch your browser. To get started, open any web browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This will be your gateway to accessing the tools we need. Step 2. Visit the link in the video description. Once your browser is open, head to the link provided in the video description. This link will take you directly to the Google Colab notebook. At the top right of the Colab page, click Connect to link to Google's cloud server. It'll automatically assign a T4 GPU, perfect for running Stable Diffusion smoothly, even on low-end devices. Next, click the small play button beside the code cell to execute it. If a pop-up appears saying the code is from an unverified source, just click Run Anyway to proceed. It's safe and necessary to continue. Now that the first cell is done, go ahead and run all the remaining code cells by clicking the little play icons next to each one, except the third cell. That one's optimized for low-end GPUs, and since we're using a T4 GPU with 15 gigabytes of VRAM, we don't need it. The setup will take a few minutes as Colab installs all the necessary files and dependencies. Just sit tight and be patient. Once it's done, you'll be ready to start generating with Stable Diffusion. After running the fourth code cell, a link will appear in the output. Simply click on that link to open the Stable Diffusion web interface. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to start generating images directly from your browser. Once you open the link, it'll launch the InvokeAI user interface. Don't worry if it looks complex at first. It's actually very simple and user-friendly. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start generating amazing images in no time. To use different models like Stable Diffusion 1.5 or SDXL, click the box in the bottom left corner of the InvokeAI interface. You'll see 5 options. One of them is Hugging Face, which lets you load custom checkpoints. I'll show you how to do that later. For now, click on Starter Models. You'll see a list including Flux, SD 1.5, and SDXL. While Flux requires a high VRAM GPU for smooth performance, it can technically run on a T4 GPU, but image generation will be very slow. The best options for T4 users are SD 1.5 or SDXL. I'm using SD 1.5 for this demo, but feel free to try SDXL. It offers more detail and sharper results. While the starter model is installing, let's take a quick look at how to add custom models. First, you'll need the model name and a download source.
One of the best places to find high-quality models is Civitai. Just open a new browser tab, head to civitai.com, and click on the Models section. You'll find thousands of community-created models for Stable Diffusion and Flux.
As you can see, the interface shows checkpoint SD1, which means it's using the Stable Diffusion 1.5 model. If it says checkpoint XL, that indicates it's running SDXL, the more advanced version. For this demo, I'm choosing the Rev animated model.
To install a custom model, start by copying the model name you want to use. Open a new browser tab and search for Hugging Face. Once you're on the site, head to the Models section and select Text to Image from the categories. Paste your copied model name into the search bar or filter box. When the model appears, click on it to open its page. You'll see a small box icon next to the repo ID. Click that to copy it. Now, go back to the InvokeAI tab, paste the repo ID into the Hugging Face repo ID field, and click Install Repo. Your custom model will begin installing, and you'll be ready to start generating with it soon.
While your custom model is installing, let's go ahead and use the starter model to generate some images. Click the double A icon to open the Model Selection panel. From there, choose your preferred model from the list of installed options. In the prompt box, type the description of the image you want to create. Just below that, you'll find the aspect ratio settings. Adjust them to fit your desired output dimensions. You'll also see a number next to the image count. By default, it's set to 1, meaning it will generate one image. You can increase this to generate multiple images at once. For now, let's set it to 4. Finally, click the Invoke button, and the image generation will begin shortly. Now that your custom model is installed, head back to the Model Selection panel. You'll see your newly installed model listed there. Just click on it to activate it. Once selected, you can enter your prompt in the text box, adjust the aspect ratio, and choose how many images you want to generate. Then hit Invoke and let the model do its magic. As you can see, we got some amazing results. Extra features you can explore. You'll find options to refine your outputs by telling the model what to avoid. Super useful for improving image quality. Concepts tab, here you can install and use LoRa models to fine-tune your generations with specific styles or character traits. If you're interested, I'll cover how to use LoRa and other advanced tools in a future video. There's a whole world of creative possibilities waiting to be unlocked. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to run Stable Diffusion even on low-end devices using Google Colab and InvokeAI. We explored starter models, custom checkpoints, Hugging Face integration, and even touched on advanced features like LoRa and negative prompts. And get this, there's still so much more to dive into, from optimizing your prompts to exploring powerful tools and models. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a deep dive into LoRa, advanced settings, or anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we unlock even more creative power with AI. Stay curious and keep creating.